What is prompt engineering? How to talk to AI so it actually does what you want. Prompt engineering is the craft of writing AI instructions that consistently get the result you want. It is part wording, part structure, part showing the model exactly what good looks like. Why does prompt engineering even matter? 3 reasons. Vague prompts produce vague answers. The same prompt can give a totally different answer tomorrow, and when the model is unsure of what you want, it guesses, and guesses badly. Great prompts share an anatomy. A role, tell the model who it is. Context, give it the background. The task, what exactly should it produce? Examples, show it what good output looks like. And format, bullet list, JSON table, whatever you need. 5 parts every time. 3 techniques that work on every model show. Don't just tell, give 2 or 3 examples of the output you want. Ask the model to think step by step before answering, and explicitly tell it what not to do. The don'ts are as powerful as the do's. Bad prompt versus good prompt. A bad prompt says, summarize this, no role, no format, no examples. The result is random in style every time. A good prompt sets a role, a format, and gives an example or 2. The result is consistent and immediately usable. Where does prompt engineering pay off? Better answers from ChatGPT and Claude every day. Production AI features that don't break under edge cases, and reliable data extraction, turning messy text into clean, structured output. That is prompt engineering, the difference between vague and brilliant AI output. Next episode, what is hallucination, and why does AI make things up?